Hello, this is Liz with Crafty Devotion, and I'm going to be sharing with you a little bit on how I made this project here. It's a special project that I made for DCScrappin Rooster. She's a fellow YouTuber. You will find the links to her playlist in the description box of this video. I have been following her for quite a while. She is such a talented lady. Neri sent me a piece of fabric and she asked me to decorate it in any way I pleased for an Advent, I don't know if it's a calendar quilt type of a thing. And so this is how I designed mine. I've never made an Advent or anything like that, but when I researched it, I saw people just making different things, so I just decided to make this white 3D tree, and then I decorated. I tried to, if you notice, I placed some blues back here. The blues are supposed to be, you know, the night sky and snow coming down, and then I have a white tree with the blue, and I used lace to kind of suggest. It just came to my mind on how to create this, and I added various, so she sent me laces. She said, you know, I could use the laces or use for my stash, and I did a combination. Neri sent me this lace, and I put this at the top, and then this lace. She sent just little pieces of different things that you could use to create with, and it fit on here almost perfectly. And then I added some of my own things, like this trim along here. This is the one I carry in my shop. It's like a gimp with pearls, and I want you to notice this, that it has a variation of colors of the blue beads. That is the way this lace is. This trim, it goes from dark, if you see here, and then sometimes it gets a little lighter. It's the same trim, but I love how it adds that a little bit of change there in the colors. And let me see, so she sent this trim here, and then this is something I carry in my shop, these corners. I use these a lot. I love these. They look so beautiful pieces. I cut a piece off of a trim that I carry in my shop. And let's see, this I don't carry in my shop, this that I used here, but I do have a little bit of it. And then I added some blue beads on there, and it kind of brought it out. And this is just a vintage piece here that I used. And I just put a bow at the top. I was going to put a star, but then I saw this and I'm like, oh, that goes well. And I like a mix. I like mixing things. I like mixing white with creams. And so you can see that this tree is actually not pure white. It's a little bit off-white. I think I had dyed this lace or something before. And the background is white, and then there's blue. The blue is a fabric that has sparkles on it, if you can see the sparkles in there. So I thought that would be perfect to add some sparkle in the background of my piece. And then I added these at the end here, and these I do have inside of my my applique lots, so I put a handful of those, and I like cutting these apart and using them in different ways, and I decided to place them there. So there's just different things. And oh, in here are just some of those I used as pearls, those little ones that are hanging. I don't know what those are called, but I have a few of those in my stash. So I hope you enjoy this piece. It's not very big. It's what, about 6 inches? Let me see if I can get a ruler. So Neri is showing you on over on her channel. I will link her channel to this video. She will be showing you what I made and talking to you a little bit more about the project that she's doing, and she's doing a surprise gift for someone. And so I decided I wanted to say yes and cooperate with her and make something of my own. And this is unique. My own idea. It came to my mind, and might be something that we see next year for Christmas. This is Liz with Crafty Devotion. I hope you're inspired by my design.